So we're looking at the 2023 Ibex, the 19QTH. This is a cool little floor plan. You're going to take a look at it when we go inside. It's actually real popular. A lot of people like it because it's smaller and it does just about whatever you need it to do. 24 foot, 11 inches in the length, and this is actually going to be a toy hauler. So you're going to see that when we go in here. A lot of people like these toy haulers now. We sell a lot of them just because it gives you the ability to bring your toys with you when you go camping. Obviously, when you go camping, you want to have a little fun. So if you bring a side-by-side anywhere, it's going to help you have a lot more fun. So that's what a lot of people do with these toy haulers. Yeah, first thing, you have 15-foot awning here. So this is going to be a nice feature to have because once again, it gives you lots of living space. And then you'll see right here, it has this bar. So this is actually for you to put a table on or put the gas griddle on that it comes with. So that gives you the ability to do that as well. Ibex is going to have the Goodyear tires on it, and this one actually has the Kurt Beast Mode package on it. So that's going to be upgraded axles, a little bit higher suspension on it, and then that includes those Goodyear Wrangler tires. So it's built rugged, and you can take it just about anywhere you need to go. Solid surface steps here, so these are nice because they're not unstable. You can put them down, customize them at whatever elevation you're on. So those are always nice to have added on there. You'll take a look back here at this back patio. I'll show you guys well. We're over here. So this right here, you'll pull these pins, and then this will actually drop down into a ramp, so you're able to pull your vehicles onto it and then pull it into the garage. So it's a cool little design, cool concept. It's backup camera prep, so if you want to put a backup camera, no problem, it is prepped for that. This has the tire pressure monitoring system on it already. This Ibexes, they're good little floor plans, and there are 2023s, we have some left over, so we got this one at a great price point right now. So we'll head on inside and I'll show you guys the inside. So first thing you're gonna notice is this is gonna feel real open because this would be your garage. So this is gonna be, this bed right here / couch will fold up just like the one behind you, and then that gives you probably about here, so you're given all this room to pull it in, park it. You got tie downs. These are rated for 5,000 pounds, so you're tied down 5,000 pounds there. You have Connex TV here. This is a good RV TV. This is the brand that a lot of them we use because they're more rugged. Obviously, when the ones we have at home, Samsung, LG, a lot of people think, well, I'm going to put one of those in my camper, but they don't think about when you're pulling it down the road, you're going to hit 1,000 bumps and you're going to have that TV tossing and turning. Well, so you want to go with the rugged and the Connex tires or TVs, and those are great. Yeah, lots of garage space here. They give you some storage here on both sides. They did good on this toy hauler because they were able to kind of make the living room feel big for being a toy hauler. So yeah, and it doesn't have a slide out, so that's a real good feature too. A lot of people don't like the slide out, so if you don't like them, then it's perfect for you. So we'll go ahead and slide back up here to the front. So right up here, you're getting your kitchen area. So you have your microwave down there, your Suburban cooktop. That's 2-burner gas cooktop right there, which, you know, that's always nice once again because you can cook when you're camping, when it's raining. You don't always have to cook on the campfire. You have a single basin sink right here. This can be real deep. It's actually going to be real nice. And they also give you the sprayer hose too. So this comes right off and then you're able to spray with it. So that's nice. A lot of people like those, and they're in just about every kitchen in America now. Right up here, you'll notice you got the bed. This is going to be a queen size bed, and then you're given the 4 cubbies up top with the LED accent lightings. That's Ibex's blue light. That's what they like. They like that blue accent lighting. Yeah, this is real slick too. They give you some cup holders up here with essentially your nightstand. So they give you that, and this is going to be an east to west bed, so it's going to be a little bit different than your standard north to south. So then you have more storage down here, and they actually will give you a safe in this one. So if you want to pan in here, I'll show you that they give you a safe. Ibex does this, so you can put jewelry, guns, anything that you're really wanting to put in there, valuables, so when you go away from your camper, so you don't have to worry about them getting messed with or anything like that. We'll hop into this bathroom here. I'll just be able to explain it to you. So once again, with the toilet, they give you lots of room there to have your knees, and you can sit down, you're not hitting anything. They give you a nice medicine cabinet. They give you a nice sink, and then the shower actually is not a corner shower, so it's going to give you a lot of room there. It's just going to be your standard shower that you would have in any RV, but they kind of give you a lot more room. They give you a skylight above it, so everybody that's taller, you don't have to worry about hitting your head or anything like that. And it's going to have the shower miser as well, so that's the water saving system. And that saves your tank capacity up to 40%. So that's nice to have. a lot of people overlook that, but it is very nice. I'll show you the refrigerator as well here. So this one right here is going to have just your standard 12-volt refrigerator, and they give you a lot of room there in that. Yeah, so that's real nice to have. Then we'll go back here on this back patio too. I'll just tell you about this. So they actually give you this magnetic screen here, and this will zip up and down. So, you know, obviously you don't want any bugs in. You'll just close it, and then you don't have to worry about any bugs getting in. But yeah, I mean, you can walk out here, and this is a very, very solid, you know, you don't have to worry about it moving on you too much at all. They put the nice upgraded springs on it, so it feels a lot more sturdy, and then high torsion cable. So it's gonna feel great. And then they also they give you the ability to have a gate there too. So you can pull the gate up and put some steps there, and then you can just get on and off from the back. So that's always a cool little feature. Yeah, so, and then just briefly talk about these too. This will lay flat into a bed, and then that also goes down right there. And then that gives you the ability to seat more right there. Yeah, this is gonna be it gives you a good balance of living and toy hauler. A lot of these toy haulers, you get in it and it's like, well, I'm in a garage. So this is nice because they give you a living room mixed with the garage. So they really made it feel more homey than your standard toy haulers.